All right, guys, this is the DXY. This is the DXY. And once again, the day is Saturday, May 10th, and it's 8:53 Eastern Standard Time. It's 8:53 Eastern Standard Time. I just want to go over the market, man. I just want to talk to you, just talk a little market talk. All right, let's talk a little market talk. So this is the DXY, and I'm on a weekly time frame. All right, this is the DXY, and I'm on a weekly time frame. And I want y'all guys to see what I see. All right, so let's pay attention. Let's pay attention. All right, so we see the market is going down. We see the market is going down. We have this strong swing break right here. This is a swing low break on this is the weekly chart. The market somewhat consolidates in this area. We ended up getting another break here. The market breaks, the market comes back up, comes down. We have another strong break, right? The markets come back up. So after this last break right here on the weekly, this is the high. So after the last strong break on the weekly, this is the high. All right, so I want to mark that up just so y'all can see what's happening. This is the swing high on the weekly. Right? Hold on, I don't think my line is. Okay, that's the swing high on the weekly, making this the swing low. All right, so these are my weekly. This is my weekly swing high. This is my weekly swing low, right? So within this area here is my trading range on the weekly. This is the trading range on the weekly. This is the swing high. This is the swing low. What do we see happening? We see from here, right? We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful 5 wave. Let me mark it up so you guys can see. Coming off this low, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a beautiful 5 wave, right? That happened. This is a beautiful Elliott wave that happened on a swing. This is a swing position on the weekly. Right here, I want you to see this. Guys, pay attention because I want y'all to see exactly what I see, right? Not only did the market give us a 5 wave, the market ended in a beautiful area of consolidation right here. Ended in this area, liquidating the zone. Then the market begins to drop within this range, right? Okay, this is where it gets tricky. I'm marking up the 5 wave. I'm using these lines and stuff for visual purposes, right? This is for visual purposes. So y'all can see what I see. For those people who are not familiar with the way I'm doing things, I want you to be able to see what I see and why I'm moving the way I'm moving and why I'm doing and making decisions that I'm making. So we know that this area right here marks the end of the 5 wave. We also know that it's going into a strong supply zone, right? So we see the market dropping, breaks this structure here. Market somewhat consolidates, come up, and right here we have another strong break, right? We have another strong break. Overall, the weekly was selling. The market gave us a strong 5 bull wave. At the end of the wave, at the end of that 5 wave, the market fell into a consolidation range, and this is what's happening currently on the weekly, right? We have this breaker structure, we have this breaker structure, right? Okay, the market came down and did break this structure. The market pulled up within this range, but right here is where I want y'all to see happening. This is my breaker block, right? This is my breaker block area, and it has a strong liquidity void that happened right here, meaning there's no wick on each side of the candle, right? The market broke to the high, broke to the low, leaving a void right here. The market is now pulling back up into this void. And this is where I start making my decisions, right? Okay, check this out. On the daily, the market is uptrending into this range. This is a range that we want to pay attention to. You guys see the gap here? This is the daily here. This is the daily now that we're looking at. The zone right here that you're looking at is the weekly zone. Okay, the daily is pulled up into the weekly zone, filling the gap. Let me show you what happens. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. On a 4 hour, this is what we see. Guys, this is a specific price pattern right here, right? This is a specific price shift pattern. This is a specific price shift pattern that happens when the market indicates it's ready to turn over and begins to sell. So this is right here. We see that the market has broke this structure. The market has came up. The market is buying up strong bullish candles up. have a small consolidation here, and a price shift candle happens here. I call this a price shift, right? What I'm looking for is the market to come back up into this range, fill out this fair value gap, and begin to change and begin to sell down. But I'm gonna look for this market to break this structure here, come down, and also break the next structure before I decide I'm gonna get in. But what I'm looking for to happen immediately, I'm looking for this market to come up. This is the 4 hour here. I'm looking for the market. This is the 4 hour on DXY. I'm looking for the market to come up, tap the zone, and begin to sell, right? This is the DXY. Now I'm finna post a video on Euro, and there's a reason why I'm gonna do that. This is the DXY. Now I'm gonna post a video on Euro USD, and I want you to, I want to show you how the market is correlating and how the market is beginning to have similar price traits. And I want you to see what I'm looking for to happen with Euro USD for next week.